How to hide or remove your location from Instagram post. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, go to the post from which you want to remove the location. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post to open the menu. Select Edit from the options. You will see the current location tag displayed at the top of the post. To remove it, tap the location and replace it with another location. If you want to hide your location before posting, you can also do this while creating a post. On the Add Location step, either skip adding a location or choose Remove Location if it's automatically tagged. This ensures your location stays private and won't appear on your post or map. Now you know how to hide or remove your location from Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.